A child may come in and see me, and the parents are really worried because they're not doing well in school, they're not listening to their teachers, they can't stay in group, they can't engage, or they don't have friends, and they're worried why don't they seek interactions with peers, and it just makes them feel isolated. But they can come to Emerge Center and they don't feel isolated anymore, and they know the help that they are going to get is really going to make a big impact in their child's life. I am surprised how many cases that I see of kids that need diagnostic services or who need support at school or at home. Sometimes kids come in and they're age 4 and they're really behind in their speech or their language, and they're really behind in their social skills and just these basic developmental milestones, but nobody has ever told a family that they really need help, or they have and they didn't know where to go. There really is a scarcity of services in our area. There are 2 psychologists in our center out of 16, I believe, in a few parishes that provide our services. Some of the things that I feel like I do for families is to just make their quality of life a little bit better, and that makes a huge difference, even though it's little tiny steps over a long period usually, but it does make a big impact on the family. Our service here, psychological services, can help identify what the problems are and what resources the family needs. So we individualize what the child needs, and we look at the child as a whole picture. So at Emerge Center, I can go and observe them in speech therapy, for example, in the group setting, and see them with their peers, and that provides me with a lot of valuable information that I wouldn't otherwise have. Also, I can just talk to other professionals and see, well, is an obstacle for them speech, or is it more social, and what's going on with the child. So it's nice to work in an environment when you have a lot of support and opportunities to observe a child and work with other people that know what they're doing and can help too.